Hi, it's Leslie from Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm revisiting what was going on in my life a year ago. So it was exactly a year ago that we bought a new home, and we had spent a long time looking for a house, and we were living in a really horrible Airbnb while we looked, and it was so nice to be able to finally move in. We're still not unpacked. But I made these cookies to celebrate the move to the new house and to give us strength between hefting heavy boxes. So I flooded a square with white icing in a 15-second consistency for the sold sign, and now I'm going to do the wood stand, and to do that I am using a light brown royal icing in a 15-second consistency, and I painted the inside of my piping bag with brown food coloring, gel food coloring, in order to make the wood grain look that you see here. So I'm just going to make lines with my icing going up and down, stopping to put a little swirl for a knot in places, and the icing will settle down and it will look like a wood grain effect. And I'm going to take my scribe and just gently smooth out a few places where the icing hasn't settled, but again, I don't want to mess up my wood grain look. It's pretty neat how this works. I forgot to mention that you need to let the sections that are touching each other dry for at least 20 to 30 minutes before you do the sections that are next to them. And then I let the cookie dry overnight, and I used a projector to trace the word sold onto my cookie, and now I'm just slowly going over that with my royal icing. Sometimes it's easier to hold your piping bag like a pencil instead of the way I'm doing it here, and that makes it easier to control. But anyway, I'm just going to slowly pipe the word sold on. I really don't like what happened with this D, so I'm going to try to fix it with a slightly dampened paintbrush. Because the writing icing is a thicker detail consistency icing, about a 25-second consistency maybe, you can move it around a bit with a slightly dampened paintbrush. And I'll add a little heart at the end of the word, and this cookie is done. These cookies are perfect for realtors, for friends that have just bought a new house, and maybe even a housewarming party. I'll leave links in the description for all the products I used. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. I guess I should go and pack some boxes.